Good afternoon. My name is Evan Penny with Fraser Roof in Central Georgia. I'm on the roof of St. Mark Baptist Church, and we are going to attempt a repair on the left slope, which has more than 40 wind damage. A lot of them right here on the eave, up there just below and above the pipe boot, on up here. That tarp has been ripped off by the wind, and we are going to now set this on the tripod. Before I start, I'll give you a close-up view of the area we're going to repair. So these are damaged. A few of these are creased and loose. So we've got this boxed off. Of course it goes on down, but for the sake of the repair attempt, we're just going to work in this area. Alright. To begin, these are the ones at the eave that are blown off. So I'm going to attempt by trying to break these loose just above it. They're very brittle, so I'll be as gentle as possible, but I don't have the highest hopes. There's strike one. You can see the corner of the tool there. I'll put a dab of silicone on any punctures or tears that are made in the process. And here's the same thing again with that slight tear. I know they've already got quite a few leaks, so being that we're just causing further damage, and it's kind of beating a dead horse at this point. Two tears and two tries. This is not going to be repairable. F for fail. This is an unrepairable roof. We would have to recommend a full roof replacement to address any of the wind damage at this time. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My cell phone number is 478-279-7349. My email address is Evan, E-V-A-N-P, at Fraser, F-R-A-S-E-R, roofing, LLC.com. St. Mark Baptist Church. Have a nice day.